everybody, this is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida, and I show in driving videos with Florida ambiance that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. Okay, sister, what did we get?
Beautiful paisley.
Oh, isn't that nice?
White,
I like that.
White, black, gold, and red trim.
Uh-huh.
Beautiful emerald green.
Ooh, I can't wait to see you wear that.
Emerald green dress.
Ooh, look at it, guys. Look at it.
Shimmery.
Oh, wow.
Two scarves. Picasso.
Ooh, look
It
at
says
that.
Picasso on it.
Yep.
And
Oh, yeah. I found that the last minute.
animal print.
Oh, look at the sides. Lisa, show the side.
Oh, the side.
Yeah, mate.
The side. Shoelace.
Yeah.
Fashion.
Uh-huh.
Have this beautiful white lace arms.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait to see when you put that on.
Beautiful, beautiful. Crisscross fronts.
Oh, I can't wait. That's so
Rose
beautiful. Yeah, look at that.
Chanel's gonna love that. And you have this beautiful.
Oh, I can't wait to put that on. Turn it around, Lisa. Turn it around. Yes. You guys are loving it. Put some comments.
Then you have this.
Oh,
age
yeah.
is no excuse.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Got
Work
my
out.
degree at 50 years old.
That's what I'm
Age is
talking
no
about.
excuse.
Get ready.
Green.
Turn it up.
This for you, Marlene.
Yeah. I'm going to look so good in that when I tell you good.
And it was only how much?
$5.
$5.
Uh-huh.
$60 dress. $5.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's for my noodle. That's for my sister.
Oh, she gonna love that Minnie Mouse.
Yeah, look at that. Drinking a root beer.
And then this beautiful sequence blue.
Oh, I love that.
That pattern.
That's so nice.
That pattern is gorgeous.
I love that.
With the gathered fronts.
Look.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Okay.
Right. Then you have this animal print scarf once again.
Oh, yeah. Oh, very nice. Ooh. Yes, darlings. Or both of us. It doesn't matter. We share. I love the print on it.
I like that seafoam green.
Mm-hmm.
That's beautiful.
Beautiful colors.
You did a good job.
And how much was the haul today?
$57.63.
Wow, great.
$200 worth of clothes.
Mm-hmm.
Let me take you to the beach. Let me take you out to eat. Let me take you shopping. Let's get it on and popping. Let me take you out and have some fun in the Florida sun. You know what I mean? Enjoy life with Marlene. show you how to have fun in the sun.
Member shout out: Love Baby, Nurse Wabbit, Dave's Adventures, Boss Life Online, First Lady, Pink Parisian Visionaire. If you want to be featured, join my channel membership. Nate the Great Podcast 2.0, Always That Girl, Dave's Adventures. Thank you so much to all of the channel members for their ongoing support. Lara Boss Killer, Global Empire ENT Media, Kicking It with the Rooks, Just Call Me Sammy, Tasha T.